We got hardcore gamers, fans from all over the world.
To all the die-hard gamers, welcome home!
20 years! Let's hear it!
It's an absolute privilege to be surrounded by our partners, and most importantly, the gamers and our fans who have challenged us, supported us for the past 20 years. Today, ROG is one of the most respected gaming brands in the world. Driven by passion and conviction, the journey of ROG began with a single motherboard, and today it has evolved into a global republic. You have been with us on this incredible journey since day one. Together, we have built a legacy.